I'll just go briefly on each tab. And so we have the monitor tab. So here just kind of tells you your whole position, what you have, what positions you have. And then what you want to do is say you have some positions, you were just playing around and you wanted to actually reset your account. So say you wanted to reset it to maybe like $5,000. So what you do is you come here and where it says PL day, you just go to the bottom. So where it says 91, just go ahead and right click it and you should see pop up. So you should see create, analyze, create rolling order, analyze, reset all positions. So if you reset it, you could just clear out your entire account. Just if you're just practicing, you could adjust the position if you wanted to change a few things to see how it would work out. And then you could adjust the cache. So if you go ahead and click adjust cache, yeah, so after you go ahead and right click it here, then it's going to pop up and then you could change the amount on how much you want. So right now we have roughly 163,000. So you could change that. So say you wanted to subtract it and you wanted to do maybe, you could do reset it to close to 100,000. So if you do 63,000, 794, that should you should be able to reset it. So if you go ahead and just leave the cache adjustment, click OK, and then you see right on top it reset it to 100,000. So then if you were gonna do, let's say you wanted to do maybe a $1,000 account, right? So you could do 99,900 and then see, there you go. So now you have 1,000. So you could definitely change it to see what actually fits your schedule. So you don't want to have a account with $1 million, but when you're going to be trading with real money, you might only have $1,000. So it's better to make it more realistic.